Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Before starting my presentation, I would like to give a brief intro about myself. My name is Uzma Sadiq, and I have been affiliated with the education system for almost 15 years and currently serve in a leadership position at a renowned school. I hold a postgraduate degree in education, along with that, BEd in education, and also done ECE in education, with a focus on children's psychology, which has given me a valuable insight into understanding and supporting children's diverse needs. Why I choose this topic, which thing motivate me और मुझे जिसे encourage किया कि इस topic पे अब बात करने की ज़रूरत है. Reason behind this, that this neurodiversity topic is particularly close to my heart. Unfortunately, in our country, Pakistan, there is limited awareness about neurodiverse individuals. As I told you that I am currently also working in a leadership position, and I can see that many students or children are coming with different neurodevelopment disorders, we can say. But unfortunately, in our system or in our Pakistan, we don't have थिंग्स कुछ हमारे पास है नहीं जो इनको केटर करने के लिए एंड सम टाइम वी से नो टू द पेरेंट्स एंड जो मेरे लिए बड़ा ही एक तकलीफ दे अमल होता है एंड इवन व्हेन पीपल आर अवेयर और अगर अवेयरनेस है वी ऑफन फॉल शॉर्ट इन केटरिंग टू देयर यूनिक नीड्स इन मेन स्ट्रीम स्कूल्स दिस इंस्पायर्ड मी टू bring attention to this issue. Every child has the right to learn, grow, and thrive in an inclusive environment. My goal is to raise awareness and encourage all of us to work toward building a more inclusive education system. Now let's discuss about that what is neurodiversity. Neurodiversity refers to the natural variations, different ways in which the brain function and the process information. This include conditions such as autism, ADHD, dyslexia, and others. Neurodiverse children may have different and amazing ways of thinking, learning, and processing information. These differences are not flaws, but are unique attributes that contribute to their individuality. Now let's talk about that what types of neurodiversity are there. Commonly, what we are nowadays, we can see autism spectrum disorder, dyspraxia, dyslexia, sensory processing disorder, or ADHD. Now let's talk about unique strengths of neurodiverse children. They often have unique strengths that can contribute to their success in life. For example, children with autism may have exceptional memory and attention to detail. Sometimes जो other students होते हैं जो मेन स्ट्रीम स्कूल में ऑलरेडी स्टडी कर रहे होते हैं उनके अंदर ये स्किल्स नहीं होती. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली अगर कोई चाइल्ड या इंडिविजुअल जो है वो ऑटिज्म या एडीएचडी से सफ़र कर रहा होता है या डिसलेक्सिया से कर रहा होता है वी इन आवर कंट्री स्पेशली वी यूज टू टैग दैम और हम उन बच्चों को कह देते हैं ये तो आई कांटेक्ट नहीं कर रहे हम इनका एडमिशन नहीं ले सकते ये तो सोशल इंटरेक्शन नहीं कर रहे बट हम इनकी ये एक्सेप्शनल जो मेमोरी होती है या उनके पास जो अल्लाह पाक ने डिफरेंट उनको स्किल्स दी होती हैं हम उनकी तरफ अटेंशन नहीं देते. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ अ चाइल्ड इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम ऑटिज्म उसकी एक एक्सेप्शनल मेमोरी हो सकती है और चाइल्ड विद ADHD में हैव एनर्जी लेवल्स एंड अ विलिंगनेस टू टेक रिस्क जो अदर स्टूडेंट नहीं ले सकते. Now let's discuss about the challenges of neurodiverse children. Neurodiverse children may also face unique challenges that can make it difficult for them to succeed in certain areas. For example, children with dyslexia may struggle with reading and writing, while children with sensory processing disorder may be easily overwhelmed by sensory stimuli. Why I'm talking about the challenges, the reason is that हमें अगर कोई बच्चा लिख नहीं पा रहा होता या रीडिंग नहीं कर पा रहा होता, वी थिंक अबाउट इट, इसको रोज एक पेज राइटिंग का दे दें, ये सही हो जाएगा, या उसको टैग लगा दिया जाता है इसके तो राइटिंग स्किल्स जो है पुअर है। हम उसके डेप्थ नहीं जाते। माई बी दैट चाइल्ड इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम डिसलेक्सिया। उसके लिए डिफरेंट स्ट्रैटेजीज हमें यूज करनी पड़ेंगी। येस, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड ड्यूरिंग अ नॉर्मल स्कूल टाइमिंग इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर द टीचर, बट वी कैन टेक द हेल्प ऑफ द पेरेंट्स। हमें टैग नहीं लगा देना चाहिए। व्हाट आई ऑब्जर्व कि इस बच्चे को तो रिकग्निशन का प्रॉब्लम है, ये तो कभी पढ़ ही नहीं सकता। हमें उसके लिए स्ट्रेटेजीज अपनानी चाहिए और टू डिस्कस विद द पेरेंट्स एंड वी कैन ओवरकम दीज चैलेंजेस। As I discuss about the challenges or किस तरह से how neurodiversity affect learning, our children may require different types of learning strategies, accommodations, or support to succeed in the classroom. By providing these accommodations and support, we can help them access the curriculum and learn at their own pace. By creating a more inclusive learning environment, we can help neurodiverse individuals or children feel valued and supported. Inclusion also helps to combat stereotype and stigma surrounding neurodiverse conditions. Neurodiversity is a natural variation in brain function and development. Neurodiverse children have unique strengths and challenges that can contribute to their success in life. By understanding and supporting neurodiverse children, we can create a more inclusive and compassionate society for all. As we already discussed about the neurodiverse, I would like to just add up one more thing that neurodiverse children have incredible strength, but they also face challenges that are often misunderstood or overlooked. Without proper awareness and inclusive practices, we risk denying these children the opportunity to achieve their potential. So, awareness is the first step toward creating an education system that truly values learner. So, it's time to call action. As educators, leaders, and a member of society, we have a responsibility to create spaces where all children feel accepted and empowered. Let's spread awareness, advocate for inclusion, and work together to ensure neurodiverse individuals are celebrated for their strengths. Thank you for being a part of this important conversation, or you can say a presentation. Inshallah, in my further, if you like this, my presentation, or we have discussed about this neurodiversity, inshallah, in next my presentation, I'll discuss about the symptoms and how we can cope up, what type of strategies we can use at home as well. Jazakallah khair to everyone.